Madaktari ambao waliachishwa kazi kutoka mwaka uliopita waliweza kupatiwa a go ahead na Public Service Commission waweze kurejea kazini, kwa sababu Public Service Commission ilipata kuwa njia ile kuachishwa kazi walivyoachishwa ilikuwa ni kwa njia ambayo haikuwa halali. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru tawi la serikali ambayo ni Public Service Board kwa kuweza kurudisha madaktari kazini ili waweze kuweza kuendelea kuhudumia Wakenya.
Doctors came to work from 15th. They've worked for 2 weeks so far, but their salary have not been paid from last year. So the payrolls for Laikipia County was closed 3 days ago, 25th. But this was done while doctors were on service, but they were not considered. So we consider that a contempt to the decision made by the Public Service Commission by the county government. And so we've, for the adoption of this particular decision, as per the Public Service Guidelines 89, it said that this particular decision need to be reinforced by the Labour Industrial Court, and therefore we've sought direction from the court regarding that.